Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Wednesday, October 18, 2023. Before I get started here, I want to invite you to our webinar this afternoon at 4:30 p.m. Eastern Time. We'll be talking about our auto trading programs. We'll be talking about a new program specifically that we launched just last month, as well as going over a tool we have available to look at different programs. We call that the IQ Portfolio Builder. But that's going to be today at 4:30 p.m. Eastern Time. You can sign up at the link below this video. Just fill out your name and email, register. Go ahead and register. Even if you can't attend live, you'll get a copy of the recording tomorrow if you do that. So if you're at all interested in auto trading, join us this afternoon. All right, let's hop into today's daily IQ. We're going to continue down the thought path of options expiration week. We are 2 days out from options expiration day, so we're going to take a look at what has happened historically on this day. I've got all four instruments selected. Our setup's based upon entering long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time, and we are currently trading lower in the overnight session. So I'm going to go to opening filters, gap direction, click on gap down. Next thing I'm going to do is put us in a similar market environment. Yesterday closed above a 10 and 200-day simple moving average. And then lastly, in the market events library, I'm going to go to the active today section, which tells you what is true for today's session out of our different libraries. And from there, I'm going to click on the 2 days before options expiration. Just added that. You can see it's up here in the header now. I'm going to click view results. All right, here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time when you are gapping down 2 days before options expiration in a bull market environment. Historically, we have 68 samples in the S&P, 52 in the NASDAQ, 66 in the Dow, 47 in the Russell. If you take a look at the win rates on them, two of them coming in favored, with the S&P and the Dow both coming in around that 63% mark. We've got the NASDAQ coming in 54%. And the Russell 53%. So two of them favored there. If we take a look at the average moves to the downside is larger in the S&P. That's also the case, it looks like, for the Dow and for the Russell. The NASDAQ's the only one that has a larger average win. So historically speaking, S&P and Dow have held up best on this day, putting in almost 2 out of 3 of them closing above the opening print for the day. Hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today. We will see you next time.